Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into how to view settings on Discord using your Android device. Whether you want to tweak your preferences or customize your experience, it's all super easy. Let's get started. First, open the Discord app on your Android device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in the app, look at the bottom right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile picture there. Tap on it to open your user profile. Now that you're in your profile, look for the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. This is your gateway to all the settings. Go ahead and tap that gear icon to access the settings menu. In the settings menu, you'll find a variety of options to customize your Discord experience. From adjusting your notifications to managing your privacy settings, everything is just a few taps away. Feel free to explore the different sections and see what features you can enhance. Discord is all about personalizing your experience, so make sure to check it out. And that's it. You now know how to view settings on Discord. Enjoy customizing your Discord experience to suit your needs.